Is my baby awake? Hi! Gising na ang ating baby girl from her first nap of the day. How are you, my love?
So good, I'm so
Bakit
good.
wala kang damit? Ha? Bakit wala kang damit, my love?
Oh, under ice.
Because you're hot? Yes. Ayan. Mas maganda kasi yung tulog niya kapag wala siyang suot. Ate Paris! Hello, you haven't said good morning yet, ate.
Good morning.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Welcome back. Welcome back.
To our channel.
Puti ata imong ilok na ko. Ay. Oh, sana. Oh, careful.
Sorry.
Did you have a good nap, sweetie girl? Did you?
We send it.
1 hour din yata yung kanyang nap ba? Or maybe 40 minutes. But that's good kasi always nasa good mood siya kapag maganda ang kanyang tulog. Nak no. Nanak. I love them smiles. Makes mama happy. Yes, are you happy? If you are happy, then mama is happy. Yes? King. Alam niyo ba, ngayon lang lumiwanag ng konti, guys. Hala, sobrang liwanag naman. But it's been raining since this morning. But hindi siya katulad ng last week na sobrang non-stop talaga at sobrang lakas. Today is just, on and off. Hindi siya malakas. Nakno, kaya ang sarap tulog ganitong weather, guys. Nakno, si mama, wala nang chance magtulog-tulog. Nakno. Sobrang aga nga nagising ni mama kanina kasi ito ang aking alarm clock ay ang aga ay mama's human alarm clock. You love waking up, mama, don't you? Ang ating daddy Mike pala ay nag-work siya. Makalat pa dito sa kwarto, guys. Tingnan niyo, oh. Kasi nagre-ready tayo for our ganap this weekend. Sa making sure na wala tayong maiiwan mga damit ng mga kiddos. And for me, kasi si Daddy Mike, malaki na yan siya. Siya na yung nagre-ready lang sa kanya. But ito yung mga napamili ko from the shopping center nung unang araw. Hindi kasi tayo nakapag-vlog kahapon, guys. Hindi ko na haul sa inyo ito. So, ipapakita ko. Tapos, iyan. Yung, nabili natin from the shops. Ayan. So, yun na nga, guys. Meron tayong ganap this weekend. And making sure na wala tayong maiiwan. Kasi, it's not good pag may maiwan, anak, di ba? Halin, ang bata ni mama. So, since mag-haul tayo, guys, ilalapag natin ang ating camera para hindi kayo malula. Kasi, anong video ba yon? Nakalimutan ko na. Basta one of our lovely subscribers nag-comment na kung mag-haul daw, ilapag daw yung camera kasi nakakalula naman talaga. Nakakahilo naman talaga yung paikot-ikot, diba? Kahit ako naman nahihilo ako. Kaya, thank you for the suggestion. Yung mga comment na mga ganyan, guys, it makes me happy kasi, natutulungan ako na ma-improve ang aking vlogging skills. Ganun, diba? Basta hindi lang naman rude yung pagka-comment. I take it as a constructive criticism, guys, na, it makes myself better sa pag-vlog ko, I thank you. Hindi ko na maalala yung name niya, but salamat kasi maganda yung pagsasabi ba na next time pag nag-haul, ilagay ang camera para hindi nakakahilo. Kasi yung iba, guys, may mga nagko-comment na, ay, ano ba yan? Nakakahilo naman yan. Wala namang magandang kuha. Ganun ba? So, obviously, as a vlogger naman, nasasaktan din naman ako, guys. Pwede din naman na, maganda lang yung pagkasabi. Tawagan sa Ate Paris kasi gusto nung sumama. Ate Paris! I'm going to show Tita and Tito the dresses now. Come, do you wanna help Mama? Yeah. Natin ang ating Ate Paris kasi gusto nitong, Mama, dito na, they can see you na. Madilim ba, guys? Or okay lang? Okay lang naman. Here. So, ito yung napamili namin. Pumunta kami doon, guys, kasi mainly, yung bibilhin ko lang. Nak, they can see you, nak. Minove namin konti yung camera, guys, kasi it's against the light. Hindi nyo kami makita. Nakagubot pa sa yung buhok na ko, eh. So, yun na nga, pumunta kami ng shopping center, mainly, para bumili ng kanyang dress. Kasi, na-mention mo na ba, guys? So, Ate Paris will be Ate Paris will be, ano ko? Ayun na, anak, tayo na. A flower girl! Yay! So, yan yung lakad natin this weekend, guys. Babiyahe kami. Actually, mag-hirap lang pa talaga. Kasi, wedding ng kaibigan ni Daddy Mike. And si Ate Paris ang bilang napiging flower girl. Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So, ay kung napansin nyo guys, actually. Oh, diba? Oh, diba? Naka-lash extensions ang mami nyo today. First time, for the longest time, nakapag-extension tayo. That's tweezer na careful, that's very sharp. Kasi sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, na gusto kong mamukhang tao din ba sa wedding. Kasi first time na, sobrang tagal na panahon guys, na wala tayong parang mga okasyon na ganyan na na-attenan. So sabi ko, palagay ako ng contact lens, ng lash extension study para maganda naman si Mami. Nag-agree si Daddy Mike. So kahapon namin ito ginawa. Ate, come na! So the first one na aming nabili is this one. So, yun lang sana yung papakita ko sa inyo maya-maya yung kanyang susuotin as a flower girl. But nung nandun kami sa shops, guys, oh my God, yung mga prints ng damit na to, tinatawagan talaga ako. Like, I think they've got Paris and Celine's name all over them. Kaya sabi ko, no, I need to have them. Perfect timing kasi naka-sale sila ng 40% off. Kaya, naka-save tayo kahit paano. So, first one is this dress for Ate Paris. Yung brand pala nito, guys, is Jack and Millie. Kita ba dyan? Jack and Millie. Ayan. And then, the next one, come here, Ate. Give that to Mama, babe. The next one is, this is for Baby Celine. It's the same print. Kasi gusto ko silang mag-twinnings, but twinnings lang ng print. Hindi talaga yung the same talaga yung na item. So, this is for Baby Celine. Ate, pulse ate. And that's for Ate Paris. So, the same lang yung print nila. Different lang yung style. And size, of course. Ayan. And then, grabe talaga guys. This is screaming summer. Yung mga print na to. Madilim ba tayo guys? Maybe we just have to ganun-ganun. Inikot ko na talaga ang ating camera 360 guys. Kasi, meron pa ring light from the window. I think that's better now. So, ayun na nga. Ayan. Spring, summer, na print. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, I need to have them for my kids. Kaya ayun. This is for Ate Paris. Sobrang ganda. Kita niyo naman ang kanyang print, guys. Oh, diba? Pastel color. This is so me. Next one is for Ate... no. This is for Celine. Ayan. Oh, diba? Meron to siyang bloomer. Kasama. There you go. 00. Normally, yung binibili ko kay Baby Celine ngayon ay 0. But then, this one is bigger size.
Can you give me
What is
a
that?
coloring book?
A coloring book?
Yeah.
Do you like your dress? Well, I'm gonna show Tito your flower girl dress soon. Nakita ko lang to first. This one is another one for Ate Paris. Ate, come here, Nakbe. Stand here, Nakbe, and see if this looks good on here. Here. I really like florals for Ate Paris kasi, guys, kasi I think it complements her, skin tone. Yung mga ganitong kulay din. Oh, diba? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? And then, another one. Shoes. Ito yung susuotin ni Ate Paris na shoes. Ayan, oh my God, so cute! This one is for $39.95. Basically, $40 guys for this. Ayan. Okay lang kasi, masusunod to ni Baby Celine natin. Ayan. So, teka muna, kunin ko muna yung kanyang... Oh my God, you will love this one, guys. This is from Oli's Place. Dapat sana, bibili ako sa marketplace na lang. Facebook marketplace ba? Kasi, parang ayokong mag-spend ng too much for pang flower girl dress. Kasi, you know, once lang niya gagamitin. Or, you never know, maybe may mga wedding pa next na mapupuntahan. Masusuot niya to. But nung nakita ko to, guys, oh my God, sabi ko sa sarili ko, na yan yung bibilhin ko para kay Ate Paris natin. So, nilagay nila dito. Actually, you have to purchase this, guys, for $2 din itong sasidlan. But,
Can I wear it?
oh my God, come here, anak.
Can I try it on? Can I try it on?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah. Tingnan nyo, guys. Do you love it? Yung kulay niya ay pink dito. Yung mga pa-floral niya dyan ay pink. And then, parang naghuhulugan yung mga flowers and mga petals ba?
For the first time.
Shush! Naiiyak si mami niya. Oh my God. I'll insert a photo, guys, na suot niya to. And sobrang si Daddy, kahit si Daddy Mike, guys, ay naiiyak din. Kasi she looked very, very beautiful. Baby? Yeah, okay. Come here, baby. Okay. Like that.
No, I want to put it on.
Next is yung damit ng ating baby Celine. So, binili ko to siya from eBay. Actually, dalawa to sila. Ewan ko kung asin ko nalagay yung isa. Ayan. Still brand new. Brand niya is Pipa and Julie. Ayan. Sobrang cute niya, di ba? Pinatry ko sa kanya for the first time kaninang umaga. Alam niyo ba? It's a dress, I think ha? But, top sa kanya. Kahit na pang 9 months ang nakalagay dito, 9 months. Sobrang liit kay baby Celine. So, I don't know kung ipapasuot ko sa kanya ng ganito lang or maybe lalagyan ko ng pangilalim. We'll see. Depends sa weather, guys, kasi doon sa Cairns kasi mainit din. Kaya maybe ganito lang. Otherwise, meron naman akong white dyan na parang pants para i-partner dito. Ayan. What else? Uy. Oh, yan, sapatos. Sapatos ni baby Celine. Oh. Goodness. So beautiful, guys. Sobrang cute nila, diba? Nakaka-inlove talaga yung mga gamit ng mga bata nila. And then for myself, I'll show it to you. Ito yung plano kong suotin. So, set siya na army green ang kanyang kulay. So, this is maxi skirt. Maxi, well, I think midi to siya. But then, kasi sobrang tangkad na natin yung binali. So, naging maxi na siya sa akin. So, ayan yung skirt niya. Tapos, ito yung kanyang top. What I like about this one is, tingnan nyo to, removable ang kanyang sa gilid. May pabutones dyan. Para meron siyang puff sleeve kung gusto mo. Kung gusto mong spaghetti strap lang, carry din. Ayan. Oh, I can't wait to get dressed again, guys. Alam nyo, nasa bahay lang ako palagi. Yung suot ko, mga ganito lang. Bahay-bahay. And, you know, sobrang tagal na hindi ako nakapag-dress up. So, I'm looking forward. So, ito pala siya from, ayan, Shona Joy. Kita ba, guys? Kita ba? Ay, hindi mag-focus. Ayan. Ayan. And then, let me know what you think. Kasi, yung plano ko sana originally, ito yung suotin ko na sapatos with it. Kasi, diba, nude color just goes with everything. So, skirt. Tapos yan. But then, when I saw my other shoes, na fuchsia pink yung kulay, I thought it looked nice as well, diba? Parang color blocking ba? May color silang dalawa, pero they look nice together. Diba? So, let me know what you think. Siguro naman, tapos na ang wedding bago ko ito ma-upload ang ating video. But, yeah. Just let me know your thoughts, guys, kung ano yung mas maganda na suotin ko with this. Diba? Ay, nako. Problema ng mga babae, guys. But, yeah. I think either will look nice with a dress, and yeah, I'm just so looking forward for the wedding. And then, ito yung, ito yung dress, tapos ito yung bag na suotin ko. So cute, oh my God, pinaghandaan ko talaga to, guys. Hayaan nyo na, pagpasensyahan nyo, pagbayaan nyo muna si mami nyo, kasi minsan lang naman. Minsan lang kitang iibigin! Hey! Ito pa rin ang ating baby girl. Oh, buti na lang, lumabas si haring araw, kunti, nak. You wanna go up? You wanna go see daddy? Oh, yan ang ating daddy Mike, guys. So, he's working from home today and for the rest of I don't know, for the rest of the month. Kasi alam niyo ba, dahil sa bagyo, dahil sa flood, wala daw ferry for 3 months, daddy?
Yeah.
No ferry for 3 months. So, ayan, daddy Mike is working from home with these kids. Grabe talaga yung naidulot na problema ng flood.
And I'm watching Ben and Hyde.
What are you watching?
Ben and Hyde.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Ben and Holly. Hala, hindi ko pa pala na yan, oh. Lagay sana tayo ng diffuser para mabango. Kitchen tired people. Mama is making noodles. Noodles? Na? Hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone.
Well, I didn't say hello, everyone yet.
Yeah, come here. Come
Okay.
yung isa dyan, oh. Bakit?
I'm coming.
So I'm making this one. Mama. Shrimp tom yum flavor. Ito lang yung luto natin, guys. Ayan, oh. Mama. Careful, ate, ha?
Hi, guys.
Lagyan natin ang egg. Please don't at my bathroom. Oh, sing to ano? No, sing your he told me.
He told me that life, all my dreams will be promised and someday is mine. He told me the power of a great and bright fire. More than a way, he told me a diamond on my dreams. Just in the fridge, throw to another. He said, I want him stand on you. I hear him now. I'm me to the Bruno. It's about your brown friend here. Time for dinner.
Well done.
Ah, that's hurt. That
Good
hurt.
job. Good singing.
No,
So lahat na nakapanood na ba kayo ng Disney movie na yun, guys? Si Encanto. Yan yung kinakanta niya. He told me that the man of my dreams is just out of reach. We throw to another. Hey sis, I want. How about you, Nakbe? I really need to know about Bruno. I really need to know about Bruno. No, Bruno. What are we gonna have now?
I'm coming too. I'm putting in the leather.
What are we gonna have now?
Noodles.
Noodles. You're gonna have noodles. Celine's going to have. Labas na natin. Celine is going to have. This one.
It's not really
This
fun.
one for Celine. So it's the baby macro certified organic chicken with sweet corn and pasta. Ayan. Labas natin para hindi siya sobrang cold.
Oh, you're right. I'm from that fridge.
Si Daddy Mike, guys, meron din siyang shield. Para hindi niya kami marinig. Kasi ingay-ingay namin. We keep quiet naman kapag mayroon siyang kausap sa
It smells like chicken. It smells like chicken.
Hi! Do you wanna wave like that? Hi, everyone!
Hi!
Blingit. Inihintay namin ang kanyang daddy kasi aalis kami. So, Daddy Mike just finished working. And nasi-shower lang siya saglit, guys. And we're going to where are we going?
The shop.
Where are we going?
Shop.
Shops! Ayan. Kasi, yeah, may mga kailangang bilhin. And, ate, whose birthday is it tomorrow? How old are you tomorrow?
4.
4? Oh my goodness, Dee.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, you're a big girl now. 4 years old. Shush! You know, 4 years ago today, ate, Mama's tummy was already hurting.
What?
Because you want to come out.
Huh, come on, come on.
Yeah.
I got a baby in my tummy.
You got a dung-dung in your tummy.
No.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee.
Look. 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 That's what he said. I do it. I do it.
A few moments later.
Where are we, Paris?
Chocolate.
Shopping center. Kakarating lang namin dito, guys. 7 o'clock at night. Daddy Mike is there. Sa pagkatapos si Daddy Mike ng work, bumiyay kami papunta dito.
Can we go in the car?
Yeah, of course. What? Do you know what that is, na? The shop?
White car.
This one. The shop.
Kmart.
What is it?
Kmart.
Kmart. Alam niya, guys. Kasi bukas ay birthday ng ating baby ate Paris. And we are going to get her some presents. Toys for her, of course.
That's white toy.
You're excited to get how many?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, 5 toys. That's a lot.
Look, next time I'm gonna have 10 toys.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna have 10 toys on my birthday.
Okay, alright. Tomorrow is your birthday.
Yeah, and one more sleep.
One more sleep tonight.
Oh my, can I have that on my birthday?
What is that?
Candy.
Oh, yeah.
Candy inside. Maybe I want one of this toy over here.
Which one?
This one.
Mommy?
I just want popping thing.
Okay.
This one.
Kanyang buka, ganyan na guys. So, nakatulog kasi yan siya sa susot
I want
namin.
to get that one.
Well, you have a look what you want first because you're going to make sure.
You have to make up your mind, honey.
This one.
How much is that one?
It makes a teddy.
I don't know.
No, that one, like this. Like this. This one's for sands.
Yeah?
Sand looking what's inside.
That's your whole budget.
Yan ang ating baby Celine.
Unicorn. I just have it before.
This one?
Yeah, I just have it before.
Ito yung, ano guys, oh my goodness,
I just had
$119.
that before too.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, why? I thought the unicorn.
Honey girl, what would you like, Celine?
Paris, what are you looking at?
Look at this.
What's this rainbow? Oh, this is 27. Okay, that's not bad. You can have this now.
Thank you, Mike.
You're welcome.
Mike.
That dice you want?
This one? Yeah, this is what she gave me.
Yeah, but you know what she's going to say about everything. Make sure that's what you
Now
want.
get that one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, I love getting this one because it flies.
It flies? How did you know?
It's flying in the top, and when you're holding it, it will just fly.
Oh, okay.
It'll fly in the sky.
So which ones? We're going to get one egg. What else do you want? Have a look.
We'll have a look more around, honey. There's more.
Look, want to try one of this one.
That's funny.
I would just go like this in the ground.
You want that one?
Yeah.
You want it or not?
Not really.
Yes. So that's 2 toys. Why that's 2, Mommy?
That's 2 toys now? Are you sure you want that one now?
Yeah, I love it.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's funny. Well, I want a smart slime making toy.
Slime?
This, you're gonna make slime with it and put sprinkles.
Okay.
Cause they didn't have that in Brisbane. I already had it in Melbourne before.
Okay.
This way.
This way, Daddy, she said.
Like the puzzles and stuff, you know? Stuff that we can
What is that?
do with us.
By surprise. Cause you know I just had this before.
This stuff.
In Melbourne, I had this in Melbourne before.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna get that one too. Now I want this. This one I used to have before.
Okay.
Dito kami sa Myers, guys.
You know, our office.
Kahanap lang si Daddy Mike ng kanyang susuotin for Saturday.
Do you know where Ralph is?
He'll be here somewhere.
Excuse me, sweetie.
Oh, here na.
Now, are you going in the elevator? Are you?
Hmm?
Are you going in the elevator?
No. Because men's are here.
But I want to go in it.
Ate Paris! Ate Paris! Nandito kami ngayon sa Westfield in Mount Gravatt, guys. Remember nung first time kami dumating dito sa Brisbane? Dito kami nagstay sa area na to. Ayan. Medyo malayo-layo siya galing sa kung saan kami nakatira ngayon. It is mga siguro 28 minutes drive. Daddy Mike wants to have something to eat here. Tingnan niyo to. Nak, say hi na.
Hi.
Wow, so cool. Yeah? Have a look. Dito kami sa
I'm gonna put you in.
Italian restaurant. Tingnan nyo, sobrang taas kasi ng kanilang table, guys. Ang kanilang din, oh. High chair.
You
It's
wanna
very
sit in
extra high chair.
Do you want to stay in the high or not?
Yeah, I think she's gonna fall.
Where?
It's so too big for her.
You reckon?
Yeah, we can try. Put her on the other side. Lini! Tignan nyo, nakaupo siya sa kanyang extra high chair. Celine! Celine! Isa, oh. Open na kaagad ng kanyang laruan.
Okay, Dad, I did. Now,
Apparently, it's lang, tignan nyo. Order and pay here. QR code lang. Hindi na kailangan ng waitress. Hindi na kailangan ng waiter, anak. Si Lini! Si Lini! Palanggan, mama. Lini!
Bolognese? What spaghetti? What pasta?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Huh?
Spaghetti bolognese and lemon lime.
like that. That is like that.
What are you having, Paris?
Candy.
No, what are you having for dinner?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Look like that.
Oh, what's that? Candy?
Yeah.
moments later.
It is very late now, guys. Ngayon lang nakapag-vlog ulit. Oh, goodness. Gihilamos lang. At ito ay ang ating birthday girl bukas. How old are you tomorrow, ate?
4.
4? Very sleepy na yun she is. So I just washed her. Brush her teeth. And si mami nyo ay din guys, maghihilamos din. And then, we'll go to sleep. Yes. So, kanina pagka alis namin ng shops, yun hindi ko na nga na-vlog. Bukas na lang namin. So, tomorrow we'll show Tita and Tito the toys that you got. Yeah? She already opened one tonight. Kasi sabi namin that's for her birthday. 2? Oh, you didn't open 2. So, the rest, she'll open tomorrow kasi bukas ang kanyang birthday, diba? And then, we will fly tomorrow. We'll go to the airport tomorrow, my love. But yeah, I just want to end this vlog, guys. So, thank you for watching today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up lang if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good and if you can.